Principles of good design. If we look at unity first, and why is unity important in a garden? Unity will tie the space together, and unity can include style. For example, a Japanese garden. A Japanese garden would have certain elements that bring the design together. Arts and crafts style. Again, by using particular hard landscaping materials and certain planting, it will give it a unity. Balance is also important in a garden. How do you balance areas so that one side doesn't dominate another, so some things aren't too big? You don't want garden spaces to look bitty or cluttered, so balance is equally as important. Simplicity is the essence of good design. Do not overcrowd your garden design. Do not fill it with multiple materials and styles. Keep it simple and it will work for you.